Don't worry, this is not a rafting video, but just our TET Albania motorcycle trip. However, we can already tell you that you will see similar amount of water as on a whitewater rafting adventure. This video covers the TET between Magellare and Hani i Hotit, essentially TET section 1. We arrived at the border still quite dry, and then it started right away, as if on cue.
Albania, a very warm and dry country. I guess it hasn't rained for weeks because all the other travelers said they had only sunshine. Did we have any sunshine so far in Albania?
No. Guten Morgen, Gubi.
Es regnet.
Lecker? Das Wetter ist super heute.
Kann das so lange gewittern? Allrainia.
Oh, das hat trotzdem auch gefreut, das ist ja cool.
Sexy edition. For 3 seconds.
Just before reaching Lurë National Park, the massacre really begins. At least with heavily loaded motorcycles, you can certainly describe this part as challenging. The TET is very rocky here and eventually ends at a dried up riverbed where the track disappears completely. So you have to first find your way through a sea of rocks in a pretty remote region far away from civilization. Lurë National Park is beautiful, although it would probably have been even more beautiful if we just could have seen something. It was hardly possible to take a photo. For a change, it started raining cats and dogs once again. After another 20 kilometers of challenging dirt road through the national park, you finally reach civilization again. It would actually be a decent main road from now, but not so much if it has been pouring rain for hours. In such dreadful weather, one must start looking for a suitable camping spot in advance. In Europe, it's generally difficult to find a roof or abundant buildings for that purpose. So the key is to find a suitable, not completely rain-soaked ground.
Cozy. Very cozy. It is so dry. Woo!
Es regnet.
After leaving the city of Shkodër, the TET leads northeast into the mountains towards the Theth National Park. The small village of Theth is also accessible from the west via a good paved road. However, the TET follows a beautiful narrow mountain pass road. It's not entirely easy, and as a result, you'll encounter very little traffic.
Beautiful river crossing with a very natural pool.